Good morning everyone. In last class we discussed our very important topic, that is use of can and definition of modals, and today we discuss another modals. Okay, so next is our second modal is use of could. Use of could. Next is our use of could. Now, could can be used. Now, listen carefully. Can is the present. Can be used in the present case of present tense, and could is the past of can. So, we use could in the case of past tense. Clear? So, could is used in past. Could is used in past form of can. पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कैन. ओके, मीन्स कैन की पास्ट फॉर्म में हम कुड को यूज करेंगे. कुड इज यूज्ड इन द पास्ट फॉर्म ऑफ कैन. इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस. इट इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस द मूड ऑफ पास्ट. ओके, मूड ऑफ पास्ट मीन्स it is used to express the mood of past. Clear? So ये क्या एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए यूज होता है? मूड ऑफ पास्ट. पास्ट का मूड एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए हम could को यूज करते हैं. नाउ वेयर वी यूज could? ability of past. ability of past. So write down example. My brother could not send me an MO last month. So what is this? This is what? Absence of capacity. This is absence of capacity. This is absence of ability of inability of past. I could speak English. I could speak English when I was only 5 year old. This is what? This is ability of past. So what is this? This is ability of past. Now second use of could is capability and incapability of past. Capability or incapability of past. Incapability of past. Clear? So write down example of this also. My brother could not send me a MO last month. So what is this? This is incapability of past, means absence of capability. Absence of what? Capability. Clear? Next is absence of capability. Now see third point, power of past. Power of past. Power in past. I could, example, I could run fast when I was young. What is this? This is power of past. This is power of past. Clear? Next, This is I could run fast. This is power of past. Next is permission. Permission in past. Permission in past. How we use permission in past? Umesh could, example write down, Umesh could go, Umesh could go out whenever he wanted. So what is this? This is permission in past. What is this? This is permission in past. Clear? So power in past. Next is permission in past, and I tell you all examples, okay, all situation examples. Now next is our possibility in past. Possibility in past. How we use possibility in past? Possibility in past, okay. So I could attend the function. I could attend the function. This is called possibility in past. Possibility in past. This is what? This is possibility in past. Clear? So next F point is could is used for every polite request. Every polite request. Okay. When we use could means could हम polite request के लिए भी use करेंगे. Okay. So could is used for polite request. Every polite request means for polite request we use could also. Is that clear? Could you lend me your pen? Could you lend me your pen? So this is what? This is called polite request. Could you lend me your pen? This is called polite request. So these are the use of could. Clear? So these are the means can, past is could, and where we use could. This is the uses of could. I write each and every uses means in short form, so you all don't confuse. Okay, where we use can, where we use could. Okay, so these are the uses of could. Now next model is our may. So I think this you all write down in your notebook. Now our third model is what? Third model is may. Now write down third point is use of may, where we use may. Clear? So write down third use of may. May is used in following senses in present tense. Clear? Now may is also used in present tense, but might is used in past tense. Okay, so to give or take. So first point is what? To give or take permission. To give or take permission formally. Okay, to give or take permission formally. हम कभी भी कोई permission देते हैं या लेते हैं formally. So what we use? May. Like example, may I come in, sir? May I come in, sir? So this is our formal permission. Okay, what is this? This is our formal permission. Clear? What is this? This is our formal permission. Clear? Next is you may go home. You may See here, you may go home. This is also our giving permission. Okay, giving permission, but in formal way. Okay, so may I come in, sir, means where we use may. May we use to give or take permission formally. May I come in, sir, for formal permission. Next, you may go home. This is giving permission. Clear? Now next is our to express possibility and probability. To express possibility, and probability. Okay, means possibility भी हो और probability भी हो किसी भी काम को करने की. Okay, so now today's example, write down. Today is Sunday. He may go home. Means what is the meaning of this? टुडे संडे, तो आज उसकी घर जाने की पॉसिबिलिटी है. ओके, और प्रोबेबिलिटी भी है. 50-50 प्रोबेबिलिटी भी है और पॉसिबिलिटी है. मीन्स किसी भी काम को करने की पॉसिबिलिटी भी है और प्रोबेबिलिटी भी है. तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? व्हाट वी यूज? मे. ओके, विच मॉडल वी यूज? आवर मेन इंपॉर्टेंट मॉडल, दैट इज मे. क्लियर? सो नेक्स्ट, these are here, yes, write down here. These are there are clouds in the sky. It may rain tonight. So this is what? This is also probability. This is also probability that there are clouds in the sky. So it may rain tonight. तो बारिश हो भी सकती है. Clear? So now next is third point of models. May. To express, C point means third point, to express wish. Okay, C point is what? To express wish. Okay, for wish also we use our may model. For wish what we use? May. Okay, may the news be true. May the news be true. Okay, so this is what? This is called wish. This is called wish. Clear? And may you live long. May you live long. This is what? This is also called wish. Clear? This is also called wish. May you live long. Now next, note down. May not is used in negative sentence. May not भी एक मॉडल होता है which is used in, may not is used in negative sentences. ओके, may not को कभी भी पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस में यूज नहीं करेंगे. may not is used in negative sentences. Like example, he may not come here. So this is our negative sentence. Okay, he may not come here. So this is our negative sentence. Clear? Now this is our use of may. Here our may use is completed. Okay. Now next our another rule is what? Another rule is our might. Okay. Our fourth rule is use of might. Use of might. Fourth rule is use of might. Might we use is the might is used in past form of me. Past form of may. Might is used in past form of may. Might हम may की past form के लिए use करते हैं. Clear? Might is used to ask. Might is used to ask permission. To ask permission. Might is used to ask permission rapidly. Permission very politely. Permission very politely and with hesitation. Hesitation के साथ और politely. Okay? Permission to ask permission very politely and with hesitation in present tense. Okay? Permission politely भी ली गई है बट वो hesitantly ली गई है. Okay? Hesitation के साथ. So example write down. Might I take your pen? Might I take your pen? So this is our politely permission but hesitantly. Okay, we ask hesitantly. Might I use your telephone? Might I use your telephone? Clear? Might I use your telephone? Clear? Now next is second point is it is used to express possibility to the past. It is used to express possibility to the past. Clear? So what is this? It is used to express the possibility to the past. Your eldest son, like example. So for possibility to the past also we use might. Okay. So your eldest son might have become. Your eldest son might have become a doctor. Okay. So this is the possibility to the past. ये past की possibility है. This shows the possibility to the past. Okay. Now next, last point, C point. It is also expresses very little. It is also expresses very little possibility near future. Very little possibility in near future. Clear? Very little possibility in near future. Like example, take a taxi, you might catch the train. You might catch the train. Okay. So what is this? This is our little possibility near future. Okay. Remote possibility. We can call it remote possibility. We can call it remote possibility. Okay. मीन्स बहुत कम लिटिल पॉसिबिलिटी हो. ओके किसी भी काम को करने की. सो दैट वी कॉल रिमोट पॉसिबिलिटी. ओके. माइट नॉट इज यूज्ड इन. नाउ नोट डाउन वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. माइट नॉट बी यूज फॉर. माइट नॉट इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव sentences. Where we use might not be used in negative sentences. Clear? So use of might also completed. Now what is the? It is also expresses. So we clear 3 points. First, to take permission very politely but with hesitation, okay, but with hesitation in present tense. Clear? Next, it is used to express possibility of the past, okay, possibility of the past. Next is might. It is also expresses very little possibility in near future. It is also expresses very little possibility in near future. Clear? Like take a taxi, you might catch the train. So this is called remote possibility. Means very little possibility is also called remote possibility. Clear? And remember one thing, if not word is come, means might not is there. So might not is used in our negative sentences, same as may not, okay, same as will not, shall not. These all come, means not come in, means not we use for negative sentences. Now our remaining models are will, shall, will, would, shall, should, ought to, must, must not, ought to, ought to. So these models we will discuss in our next class, in another class, okay. So these are also very important models, okay. Will be used for indicating a means will be used to express promise, okay, to express threat, to express willingness, okay. So this will be used for in another class properly, okay. So write down one more thing of will. Write down the meaning of will. Then in another class we will discuss another thing, okay. Besides, definition write down, besides being a primary auxiliary verbs, besides being a primary auxiliary will also acts a mood, also acts a mood indicating a model auxiliary verbs is used in the following with I or will, I or we. Now what I want to tell you, okay, will be discussed in another class, but this is the definition. This besides being a primary auxiliary will also act as a mood indicating a modal auxiliary. Verbs is used in the following, modal auxiliary verbs is used in the following with I or me. तो what I want to tell you, क्या बोलना चाह रही हूँ मैं, कि हम will को I और we के साथ यूज करते हैं. Clear? Will is also a big topic, so this we will discuss in our another class, our next class. So for today this is our class is over up to here. In next class we will discuss our remaining models or will as well as will. So you all try to solve exercise of book, okay, that remaining models exercise, okay. So our class is over. Thank you and have a nice day.